Oh God. Hello stupid Rebecca.
I told you to address me as Miss Black.
Hello Miss Black.
That's more like it. Now, I request your assistance.
What now, woman?
Would you like to help me write my follow-up single to Friday?
No please, oh Jesus number.
Well, you're helping me. People love me. I love Justin Bieber. And the world loves cheesecake.
Only two of those statements were true. It wasn't the first one. Now why don't you go do the world a favor and commit suicide, you ugly woman?
You will not speak to me like that. You are helping me write Oops, I Did and Pooped in My Panties.